guys, Markez here and welcome to another tutorial. This time I will be talking about the green and blue screen. On this video I will be showing you how you can do this and how I do it for my videos. Now keep in mind that this feature is not for free. It's not. We'll be using the stop motion app and then I will show you how I do it for my videos. Okay, so let's begin now. Alright, what I use for my green and blue screen is some crafting paper. You can find this at any Walmart or any stores on the school supply section. They're not that expensive though, but they work just fine. And then you can fold it like this. If you can't get this paper, you can use a green shirt or any plain and large object that it's color green or blue. Once you have the green or blue background, you need to place them firmly so they don't move. They must be still. Now, one of the most important things about shooting on a green screen is the light. The green or blue screen must be bright. They need to pick up the light. In my case, I'm using this photograph light that I found on the internet. You can also use this umbrella so it can spread the light. If you don't have any of these kind of lights, you need to shoot on a very bright room or with a very good light bulbs. Try to avoid this kind of shades because when it comes to editing, removing the green screen, it might be difficult to get a good result. I'm not professional, so I try my best to remove any shadows. That's why you need a good amount of lighting. On the app Stop Motion Studio, we're going to tap on New Moving and then tap on the camera logo so we can proceed. You're going to tap on the three dots on the corner and then on this pointed down arrow, and we can see that it says green screen and it will remove the green color. We're going to change the background right here and then tap on the background tab. This is where you can choose a background from your photo library or from the images that comes with the app. Once you have chosen your background, you can adjust the sensitivity and adjust it where you can find it good enough. Now, if you're going to shoot on a blue screen, just change the settings to blue. For objects that are in color black, they have reflection from the green color. So for that, you can put a white paper or any white object so the figure don't reflect the green color. To get the best results, you can play with the settings on the white balance, brightness, all these settings that are up there, and to find out which settings you like. You cannot use a green screen with a green object, and vice versa. You cannot use blue screen with a blue object. Don't forget to focus on the figure, and once you have everything ready, it's time to animate. Here I have an Android, but on this phone I don't have purchased the feature, so for you to know that this feature is not for free. Alright, now I will be showing you how I do it for my videos. I do the animation on the phone with the green screen, and then once I have everything ready, I export the file to my photo library and then transfer it to my Mac by Bluetooth. If you have a Windows computer, you can transfer the video with a USB cable, as well with a Android, to a Windows computer or Apple computer. Alright, here on After Effects, Just to let you know that this software is not for free. You have to pay per month, but you can use it for free if you download it from adobe.com, the official website, and they let you to use it for 30 days for free, a free trial, and then you're gonna have to pay per month if you want to. But yeah, this is a really good software, really powerful because it has more settings and it has a lot of stuff that you don't have on the stop motion app. That's why it's very cool software, and this is the one that I use. Okay, so we're going to drag and drop the footage, the files into the After Effects, and then drag and drop it into the new composition, and then you're gonna choose the background. This is my background. We're going to drag and drop it as well, just resize it and whatever I want to be in the size of the background. And also very important to put the footage under the green screen footage. This is very important. And then here on effects and presets, we're gonna choose keying. I don't know how to say it. Keying, and choose key light 1.2. You either double click on it or drag it and drop it onto the green screen footage. And here we're gonna have a window with these settings. We're gonna click on the water drop symbol and click on the green color so it can remove it. And here we have, they remove the green screen color. Now here we have blackish color like shadow or something like that. We're going to remove it, and by doing this we're gonna have to choose some of these settings, but first we're gonna change here where it says final result. We're gonna change it to combined matte combined matte, so we can see the color that we need to remove. All this white surrounding the figure, this white is this is why we need to remove it. So we can, so for us to remove it, we're gonna play with these two settings, the clip white and clip black, and we're just going to play with them. And to find the best result, it has to be completely black, the background, and the figure has to be completely white. It doesn't need to have any black spot on the figure, so we can get the best results. And then we keep playing with these settings, and here on screen shrink, grow, and screen softness, this is the settings that I always use. And then we're going to change it to final result, and here we have it. You can see that on the blackish, the color, the kind of shadow, it's gone, and it's looks more clean, looks much better than it was. But this is my other problem. My green screen, it wasn't big enough to cover this other area. So for that, to fix that, this happened to me all the time. So you either resize the image and the way that you can, remove it, get it out of the picture, or you can also click here where it says pen tool, and it's like a scissors. You're going to cut the footage, and just to get the figure in just a clean cut, and that's it for the way that I do it when I'm working on green screen. I try my best to have a better results on my green screen. It seems like you can see here, it's very clean, it's very smooth, and it looks much better than the app. So that's why it's much powerful, this software. Okay, so now to export it, to save it on my photo library, you're going to choose composition and then pre-render, and we're gonna choose where to save it, and if you want to change the name so you can find it more easy, and you can name it as whatever you want to name it. I choose green screen, and then where to you want to save it, and these are the only two options that you need to change. The rest are just you're just gonna leave it like that, and then hit on in the render and tap. And that's it for After Effects. And then I go to iMovie, so I can put the footage right here into iMovie. This is the software that I use to, you know, to put together all the clips and the voice and sound effects and all this kind of stuff. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial, guys. This was tutorial part 2, green screen. For the next video will be how to make things fly, how to remove rigging wires, and all that kind of all that kind of good stuff that you've been waiting for. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you, and try my best to explain it to you. So this is the way that I do it for my videos, and this is how you can do it as well. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next one.